Hi, Chuck is sick, so we got Chocolate. Yeah, it's actually me. And I'm not Chuck. Today we'll ruin this thing. Attack on Megatron and Transformers. You might like mine. I'm a kind of big fan Megatron and got like, I don't know, 2 toys. 2 or 3 toys. This one's the newest. Came out tomorrow. Early tomorrow. But also, yeah, I really like it. You can move here. And I really like it. But we can see also the transformation. You can see it's simple, just put them apart. And then what you want to do to the baggage, do this. And then then put the hollow parts. Put the hollow parts under so it will look like. Wait, oh my god. Oh my gosh, this is kind of much. And I know this toy. It says toy for like 100 years. Okay, so basically, wait, you want to do it. What do you want to do? Is, oh my god, I hate this toy. Put the toy here. And then, don't put the hollow parts down. You put the hollow parts on the side. And we got this. I really like it. Bam. But I hope they have more articulation. The only one that has is in the arm and feet. They can just do that. One's are like tank more. But you can stand up real good. More. But the tank too does that, so I don't know what to say. There's 2 if you want to know. Never mind. If you want to put it back together, then just put the hollow sides on the like this. Then the hollow sides here. Then just whoop. Oh my god, why am I so bad at this? Yeah, like that. Then you press here. And you need to change it because the continent's pointed at the website and the Decepticon logo, which you can't really see, but and it also can stand well better megatron. And the stand for me 4 then 4 or 3. Okay, goodbye guys. See you later.